Okay, so if you've been watching my videos on TTYSH, which I hope you have been, and hopefully you've installed it and hopefully you've started to set it up. Today I'm going to show off one of its functions, because one of the first things you're going to want to do probably when you use TTYSH, when you use your system and then you load TTYSH, is update your system, right? So that's what I'm going to demonstrate today. Again, a lot of this is sort of self-documenting. It does explain it itself, the basic functionality, but we're just going to show it off. So I'm in my virtual machine running TTYSH, and obviously I'm in the folder of TTYSH. And if I do /TTYSH to load TTYSH, you know how it goes by now. Hit Q to continue, exit the splash screen. Now, obviously, straight away, I can look for the updating function by hitting the H key and hitting enter. And if I go down to update the system, and I hit Q to come out of the helper, and I go into the selector, type the U key, hit enter. I get this little prompt asking if I'm on AC power in case of power loss. Nice little prompt there. Also, the nice thing about this is it's not absolute. So if you want to game it, so to speak, you can just type yes, even if you're on battery power. Maybe I could word it in another way, and then you've got the option ultimately. So if I type Y, as it explains, hit enter, it's going to ask me for my sudo password, obviously, because I'm updating packages. So I'm going to put in my password. And as you see, it's starting to update Arch Linux, and it's starting to update the AUR. So there's no updates in Arch Linux, no updates in the AUR. It's all updated. And it's also updating TTYSH, the same program, okay? And if you notice, it's updated. So it's through Git, of course. So it's done a Git pull, and it's pulled down any changes and updated, okay? And then obviously it says you should reboot your system as good practice. I'm not going to bother this time, but you can do. Let's actually show another function. So if I type res, this is for restart, hit enter, it will reboot Arch Linux, and then you can carry on as usual. So just wait for that to load. Put my user, put my password. Let's go to TTYSH, run TTYSH. There we go. So everything's up to date. TTYSH is up to date. Arch Linux up to date. AUR is up to date. So it's pretty simple. Nothing too exciting, but it's a nice thing that you can have literally your whole system and TTYSH updated in TTYSH. So there we go. I'll put any other videos regarding TTYSH in the description. You've got the playlist. So if you need to work out how to set it up, install it, all this kind of thing, so far, that's all there. It's on a playlist. So yeah, enjoy. And I'll be doing some more videos on TTYSH in the near future. There's so much to cover. Just hit the H key. You can see the helper. There's a lot to cover. And I do continue to develop this. I do continue to update it. So keep looking out for new features. Keep looking out for the videos. And I'll see you on the next one on that.